So in this problem, we need to express the set which is given in the tabular form into its corresponding set builder form. Let us begin. So here we are going to name this set as set A. So set A is going to contain the element x such that we have to specify its property. So here let's say the property of x is such that it is given by 1 over n squared. Because as we can see here in the denominator, so if we consider this n to be belonging to the set of natural numbers, then we can clearly see here that for when you take n equals to 1, that's going to correspond to x equals to 1 over 1 squared, which is 1, and that's the first element of the given set. If we take n equals to 2, so that was going to give us x equals to 1 over 2 squared, which will be 1 over 4, and that will be the second element of the given set. Similarly, n equals to 3 gives us the third element, which is 1 over 9. N equals to 4 gives us 1 over 16. N equals to 5, 1 over 25. So this is how we can express the given set in the set builder form as the set A containing the elements x, such that x is the form 1 over n squared, where n is a set of natural number. N belongs to the set of natural numbers. There is also another way. Instead of using the letter x, we can also rewrite it as A is the set containing the elements 1 over n squared, such that n belongs to the set of natural numbers. So this is also equally true. So whichever way you like, you can use.